Hey, what's up everybody? It's been a decent amount of time since I've last posted anything. But I do have some new news for you guys. I did just get a package in the mail. If you noticed, my printer isn't there. The extruder, or the hot end, did malfunction, and I've been trying to find a replacement part. Couldn't find one. Got a new printer, but then I found one. So I haven't bought the new part yet, but the new part, or not the new part, the old printer, the other printer is just on the table. Got my new printer in right now. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys, and it's going to take the original spot where my other printer used to be for the time being. As you guys can see, I got the Bambu Labs A1 printer, 3D printer, not the A1 Mini. If you guys plan on buying the Bambu Labs 3D printer, the A1, if you go on their website, there's two boxes. One box says combo and the other one says A1. So the combo is, oh no, actually, I think there's three. There's a mini, there's an A1, and then there's the combo. The combo just means it comes with the AMS Lite, which is a device that you can store multiple filaments, whether it be PTG or PTEG, PLA, and all those other types of filaments. You can mix them up. You can do all the same PLA, where if this filament runs out mid-print, it automatically goes into this one to continue printing. I did not buy the combo. I just bought the A1, just the A1. And I literally just walked in through the front door with this printer. It just got delivered a couple minutes ago, so I haven't opened it. I haven't done anything to it. Alright. When you guys open up the box, this is the 3D printer. There's two stickers right here and right here. It's telling you to grab right here and right here and pull the printer out of the box like that. Not to open it up in the inside box. So like that. Might help if you untape it from the actual box. I assume I'm just gonna cut the bag off. I don't see anything else. So in the first thing that's in the package, so the first thing in the printer is actually the build plate and the quick start manual. So I'm not going to open up the build plate right now because I don't want to get anything on the actual build plate. It's two-sided. I believe one side has more. I'm not 100% sure. I believe one side has more texture to it and the other side is smooth. Not 100% sure. They did offer it. I don't know if I got it, but this is the print size, which is definitely a lot smaller than my other printer. I will show a comparison on the other printer print size from the glass bed. Let's open up this one real quick. And nothing in this video is sponsored. This is all I paid for. So you get warranty, disclaimer, and safety guidelines. And then you also get the instruction book. It shows all the pieces that come in this package. And it tells you how to put everything together and mount it all together. So I will look through this after. And I'm going to continue opening this package up. So the first thing, you lift up this cardboard piece, and it has the spool holder in it. Oh, So you lift up this tab in the middle, and then it actually slides out towards you guys, right towards the opening of the actual box. So just like that. So this is the spool holder. This piece right here is the guide for the filament. You put the filament up through there. This is where the spool goes, and this is a little clip that you clip onto the actual printer wherever you desire. And then that's it for this piece. And next is the actual printer. So there's this piece, there's all one piece, and that is the actual arm of the printer right there. So there is stickers saying power cord plus power purge wiper and filament swatch. Oh, right there on this side. And then this side says creative model kit assembly box. Oh, it comes with a bunch of stuff. All right, so let's tear out the outside, all this stuff on the outside of the box before I go into the actual printer. So I'm gonna set you guys up right there. So we got this one right here, which if I open this up, let's see what's in here. Probably all the mounting. So it is actually all the tools. Comes with some, looks like some lube or some grease. Just says Bamboo Labs. Not 100% sure what exactly it is. I assume it's grease. It feels like it. There's 3 of those. And then in tube that says lubricant oil. I'm not 100% sure what these are. Oh, lubricant grease. Yep, on the back side it says what it is. Then it comes with all the actual hardware, screws and stuff that you need to attach this printer. Or, yeah, set up the printer. So I'm going to put these out to the side. It comes with foam feet, looks like. It comes with the tooth. Sorry guys, I don't know why the camera just stopped recording. But it does come with Allen keys and a couple other things, cleaning, unclogging needles and stuff like that. So I'm going to put that off to the side with everything else. And the next thing that is in there is this, which is a clock component kit. Oh wow, that's kind of cool. So it's an actual device, it's the actual stuff to make an actual clock that you can 3D print. That's neat. I didn't know this came with it. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Wow. Comes with the instructions. Comes with the little dial for the motor, for the arms. Comes with the arms. And the washers and all that stuff. That's kind of neat. I didn't know that. I've never had a printer. Granted, this is my second printer, but I've never had a printer that came with a little project. That's kind of cool. So I'm gonna just throw all this stuff back in this box, and I will look into it when I start printing some more stuff. And we got a couple things on this side. So we got this colorful box, which this colorful box has, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, every single color of filament and different type of filament. So like, for example, PLA, PTEG, I believe is the filament. It has all those different kind of filaments. So I'm gonna open that up real quick. Oh, it's on a string. Durr. I thought it was I didn't know if they were connected to anything or not. Alright, so that's that. This is PLA Basic, that color, PLA Matte, PLA Basic for that color, PTG, oh sorry, I've been saying it wrong, it's PETG, right here. It comes with all the different colors. That's kind of cool. All the way down to clear and translucent. So I'm going to close that. Throw that off to the side. I believe that should be it. Oh, got the power cord. Oh, we got this thingy. So this is the actual, I believe that people call it a purge. This is what actually knocks off the extra filament, the poop, as people call it. So I'll throw that off to the side right there. And I believe that's it. All right. So out of all that stuff right there, and now I believe it's just the printer, I will take everything out and I will double check all the foam pieces before I throw everything out, make sure I actually got rid of everything. So now I believe you just take the cardboard pieces out. You can see the little touch screen down there. So now it's the actual printer coming out. So this is the actual arms that go up and down. So I'm just gonna lay that off to the side. And to answer any of you guys' question, even though I didn't buy the actual AMS or multicolor printing option, this printer still has it available for it. It comes with all the parts. You just need to buy the actual device, or doesn't have to be the exact one. It could be a similar one. I don't know if they all are compatible, but maybe sometime in the future I will buy the AMS and I will hook it up to this and start printing multiple projects that are in color. Now I'm just gonna slide off the side, double check the foam piece. Nothing on this side, nothing on this side. Throw that in there. Do the same thing on the other side. Nothing on that side, nothing on that side. This printer does feel pretty light. I'm just gonna round up. I believe it was 27 pounds, maybe. I think it was 27 pounds. This whole package. So this is the base of the actual printer. Does feel pretty light. Throw that off to the side. And then it comes with the, I don't know the exact word. I want to say it's like a PF something tube. I'll try to put it in on the screen. This is the actual feeding tube, or whatever you want to call it, where the filament actually passes through this to the actual extruder head. And it did come with 20 grams of Bambu Labs basic PLA. Can't really do much with that. I just want to take a moment to say thank you everybody for watching all my videos, staying tuned, subscribing. Really means a lot. I know I haven't been posting a lot, and I'm gonna try working on that.